Right then, now we come to the constructed cantilever. As you can see here, this is the start line, and that side you can see that's a finish line. The first structure which you have to negotiate is this V kind of structure, which has got two open-ended arms and red spots in between. The other two structures are ahead, 1 and 2. So total 3 structures. But the issue is you have to start with the first structure. You have the helping material which are familiar: plank, bully and rope. Now as you see in the first structure, there is no arrangement for any cantilever. You can look down, you can see nothing. On top also there is nothing. You cannot go for plank bully extension by placing a plank here because there are 2 red spots on either directions. If you throw a rope, you can find there are red spots on the other 2, second and third structure. So your rope solution will also not be visible from here. How should we proceed from here? There is a solution for this. It's good. It goes like this. You have to create a pivot here by tying a rope. So if I tie a rope here in such a manner that a pivot is created, then you can extend plank through it, and thereafter you can find a solution. So let's say I have made a pivot like this. Why I have made pivot? Because I know there is a rear supporting structure here, underneath which you can insert a plank, and over the pivot which you have created with the help of rope, you can create a plank like this. Obviously there will be some bend. As you can see, it is slightly higher than the other 2 structures. On putting the weight, this structure, the plank will go a little bit of down. You can extend the distance by placing a bully over the plank. So this is rope as a pivot, extended through it is a plank, and then further extension is a bully. Important thing to remember here is that each helping material is very important. If you want to reverse it by placing a plank here, then you cannot achieve this kind of desired solution. It will fall short. We'll see that. Let's replace this bully with a rope here. If you want to try this by tying it up on the 2 ends and by putting a plank over this, your plank will be at a substantially higher angle, which will make it difficult. Subsequently, the distance also will be large where you cannot bridge. If you put a plank here and put a bully here, even then you will find it is not feasible. All right. So that is why we resort to this solution. This is called constructed cantilever solution. This is the first part. You can reverse this also. I'll show it in the next video.